for watching. I'm Prerna Agarwal, Technical Product Owner for the Guardian. Today we'll be giving you Guardian update of Sprint 49, which lasted from October 2nd to October 13th. Just a quick overview of the agenda. We'll be looking for the roadmap. We'll also be looking at the issues that we tackled in Sprint 49, which lasted from October 2nd to October 15th. Then we'll be flipping over and giving you a short demo on Sprint 49. Then we'll also be talking about ahead of week of October 16, which is Sprint 50. We'll also be talking about the issues that we'll be tackling in Sprint 50. We'll be talking about the upcoming releases. We'll also be giving you some of the ways that you can either submit bugs or policy requests through various different channels. So just a quick overview of the Guardian roadmap. Again, this is open source. Anybody can see that. All you need to do is install ZenHub extension in Chrome. And when you travel to Guardian GitHub repo, you will be able to see a tab to quickly open that up and see what's going on there. So as you can see, we are still continuing our work on AMS 3BB webinar policy. We are continuing our work on contract-based delegation for token retirement. We are working on Vera VM 0044. And so on and so forth. So talking about Sprint 49, so we committed to 44 story points and we delivered 26 story points, which includes 2281 block and policy discoverability search. 2673 access token is not getting expired. We solved some of the issues, which is 2782, 276. Now let's look at Sprint 49 demo. So the first ticket what we'll be looking at is 2281, which is block and policy discoverability search. So at present, authors of Guardian policies have a number of tools they can use to assist with policy creation to avoid creating a policy from scratch, which is wizards, policy block suggestions in the editor, pre-built policy modules, use sample policies available out of the box as a template, and change or extend as required. However, there is frequently a need to add elements to the policy to address specific use cases. When such a need arises, it would help policy authors to be able to quickly look up other existing policies which use these elements and thus have examples or copy-paste sources. In order to solve this, let's look at our UI. Now, as you can see, I have imported two of the policies, which is one is VM 0044 and the second is IREC4. Now, when I just go to VM 0044 and if I just click on one of the block, let's assume I just do revoke underscore VVB underscore Vera. I click on this and I see a small icon search in respect to each of the block. If I want to just search a block, a series of blocks which is matching to this particular block, I would click on this. So when I click on this, if you see, IREC4, I get the list of all the policies which matches this particular block and which has the same flow. And as you can see, we have a specific length of the similarity and the percentage of the similarity with respect to others. You can see we have different, in the IREC4, we have different sections where this particular block is being used and what is the similarity with our base block, what we are trying to search. So this is a short demo on how the block and policy discoverability search is looking. And if you want to apply this particular flow in the base policy, you can just click on apply and then the flow of the current policy will be changing to this particular flow. To get more detail, we have added a detailed description about the search block, what does it mean and what exactly you can do when searching a policy. In the search block using UI, we have a detail with the screenshot and what exactly the configuration means, what exactly the percentage, and also the length indicates. We have also added the API related to it, which we have added in our Swagger and in our repo and also in the documentation. So please let us know if you have any questions on the search block, same block functionality. So the other ticket what we'll be looking at is access token is not getting expired, which is 2673. This was reported by one of our community member, which is nothing but like when logging into Guardian, an access token is generated, but by examining its content, its access token does not seem to get expired. So we have solved this issue by adding a new API, which is under the account section and which is access token. So we have added a detailed description about that particular API in our doc. So please have a look at docs.hedera.com /guardian/users/user operations. Under user operations, you have return access token. So that was a quick demo on Sprint 49. Now looking ahead of Sprint 50. So Sprint 50 will be lasting from October 16 to October 29. And currently we are committing to 45 story points, in which we are focusing on 2011, which is contract-based delegation for token retirement operations. We are also working on two policies, which is GHGP version 2, which is 2571, and also 2308, which is AMS3BB. We are also working on the new property field, which is 2649, which will be aligned with MRV and MRV specification. Talking about the releases, our last release was on Friday, September 29, 2023. Our next release will be on Tuesday, October 31st, 2023. So there are multiple ways to reach out to us. You can reach out to us on GitHub. You can submit policy requests, enhancements, or if you find some bugs, please go ahead and mention those bugs with us so that we can get our team on it. Also, if you haven't joined our Discord, come and join our conversation at hedera.com/Discord. And when you get there, search for Sustainability Channel. Do reach out to us directly if you have any policy requests by emailing us at info@envisionblockchain.com or through our website, which is www.envisionblockchain.com. Thank you. Have a great day.